Welcome, beautiful soul. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and exhale gently. This is your sacred moment. A space to thank the universe and align with the infinite abundance that surrounds you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with life force energy. Exhale slowly, releasing tension, stress, and anything you no longer need. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, anchoring you into the earth, connecting you with stability and grounding. Now place one hand gently over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, your eternal connection to life. With each beat, whisper silently, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Feel gratitude expanding in your chest like a warm golden light. Begin to call to mind what you're grateful for. The breath in your lungs. The body that carries you. The lessons of your past. The opportunities unfolding before you. Allow this gratitude to expand beyond yourself, to your loved ones, your journey, and the infinite universe. Say inwardly, "Thank you, universe, for guiding me, for providing for me, and for aligning me with my highest path." Picture yourself standing beneath a vast night sky filled with stars. Each star represents a blessing in your life, seen and unseen. Feel their light pouring down into you, filling you with love, clarity, and abundance. As the light enters your body, affirm, "I am grateful. I am abundant. I am aligned. I thank the universe for every lesson, every blessing. I trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing. Gratitude opens the door to miracles in my life. I am a magnet for love, peace, and abundance." Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any last resistance. Smile gently, knowing you are deeply supported. When you're ready, open your eyes. and carry this gratitude with you into your day. Thank you for joining this meditation.